Friends, welcome back to the library. Really quickly, I'm going to go through some great new chapter books that we have to show you. First of all is Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper. This isn't actually new to our library. We have a copy of it, but it's falling apart. So now we have a new copy. The movie comes out soon. It's a great story. If you haven't read it yet, go ahead and check it out. Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper. All right, the next book is one I haven't read yet, but it looks really good. It's called Good Different. It's about a girl who's trying really hard to fit in at school. She is a student with autism. She's struggling with communicating with her friends and making connections, and it's really, really good. It's a great story. Everything that I've read about it says this is a really good read. So you might want to check this one out. I know a lot of you have been waiting and waiting. We have been too. Finally, our copies of the newest Diary of a Wimpy Kid have come in. It is called Hot Mess. I can only imagine what happens in this story. So we have 2 copies of it. Check them out. I know it's going to be hard to keep these on the shelves. You're probably going to want to put a hold on them to make sure you get a copy soon. We have more. This is more of a beginning chapter book. We have one of them here on the shelf, but we have the next 3 in the series. It's called Starbright Stables, Adventures about these 3 friends and their horses. Not so much text on a page. There's illustrations with them. It's a really, really cute series. So if you love horses, check this out. I'm going to be honest and tell you this is not a book that I will be checking out. Why, you ask? Because I don't like creepy things. I don't like scary stories. And this something weird just happened. I don't know what. Did you all see that? It was totally creepy. You know why? Because we're talking about a creepy book. No thank you. I do not want to check this out. Please don't check this. Actually, can we just not put this on the shelf, Miss Letourneau? I don't want anyone checking this book out. It looks too creepy. It's about these kids and they're on a field trip with their friends and it becomes really, really scary, and I just don't know about this, you guys. It looks too frightening. This is the first in a series. There are 4 of them, and this is book number 1. So if you dare check this out and read this, let Miss Letourneau know if we should order books 2, 3, and 4, or if you think it's too frightening to have on our shelves. So if you are brave enough to check this out, let us know what you think. Just want to put that book away. Okay. The last book I want to tell you about is called The Witching Wind. Don't tell Miss Letourneau, but I think I'm actually going to check this out and take it home and read it first. The author is Natalie Lloyd. If you are in Reading Olympics, one of our books called The Key to Extraordinary, that's on our Reading Olympics list, was written by Natalie Lloyd. This is about a girl whose grandmother is a singer, and then all of a sudden her grandmother disappears. And eventually her grandmother reappears but has no memory. So it looks really, really interesting. Not creepy, just really, really different and interesting. It's gotten really good reviews. I'm really excited to try this one. So don't tell her. I think I'm going to check it out first. That's all for our chapter books, you guys. I can't wait to find out what's in the next box, and I can't wait to see you checking out some of these amazing new books in the library. All right, like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.